In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on auto renew on Etsy listings in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Auto renew allows your listings to automatically renew when they expire, helping you stay visible in search results without needing to manually renew each time. Now, if you want to turn on auto renew on Etsy listings, here's what to do. Start by logging into your account on Etsy and opening your shop manager. This is where you manage your store and listings. Next, go to the listings section and select the listing you want to edit. This will open the listing details page. After that, scroll down until you find the renewal options. This is where you control how your listing renews. Now, select the option set to automatic. This will turn on auto renew for your listing. Then, save your changes to apply the setting. That's it. Your listing will now renew automatically whenever it expires, keeping it active and visible to potential buyers without any extra effort.